Hey everyone, the Huawei MatePad Edge arrives as one of Huawei's most ambitious tablets to date. A premium 2-in-1 designed for creators, working professionals, and anyone who expects desktop-class performance in a portable device. Positioned at the top of Huawei's tablet ecosystem and launched alongside the Mate 80 series and the Mate X7 foldable, the MatePad Edge marks a significant leap in both engineering and capability. From first glance, the MatePad Edge makes an impression with its expansive 14.2-inch flexible display. The front camera is neatly tucked into the narrow border without a notch. The 3.1K resolution at 3120 by 2080 ensures that everything from UI elements to detailed artwork appears sharp and vibrant, while the 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, drawing, and gaming feel fluid. With HDR Vivid certification and peak brightness of 1000 nits, the tablet handles color-critical editing just as effectively as it handles entertainment. Under the hood, the MatePad Edge introduces the Kirin X90 or X90A chipset, the same high-performance platform used in Huawei's desktop-class Harmony OS PCs. This marks a major step forward for Huawei's tablet line, offering what the company claims is a 3.8 times performance upgrade over the MatePad Pro 13.2 from 2023. In practice, this translates to faster rendering, smoother multitasking, and the ability to switch seamlessly between a tablet interface and a desktop-like environment. The MatePad Edge behaves more like an ultralight laptop when paired with the magnetic floating keyboard and M Pencil Pro. Huawei has equipped the tablet with a surprisingly capable camera system for a device in this category. The rear setup includes a 50 megapixels ARRI 1.8 primary sensor and an 8 megapixels ultra-wide macro lens at f2.2. The 32 megapixels ultra-wide front camera is particularly well suited for video calls, self-recorded content, and live streaming, offering a wider field of view and clean 1080p video. Battery life is another area where the MatePad Edge stands out. The 12,900 mAh battery supports an extremely fast 140-watt Huawei supercharged system, ensuring that users can rapidly recharge even after heavy use. The tablet can also serve as a backup power source thanks to 40-watt reverse charging. The liquid cooling edition goes even further with graphene layers and a dual-core micro pump capable of handling up to 28 watt of thermal load, all working together to prevent performance throttling during long editing or gaming sessions. Audio quality matches the flagship ambition. The 6-speaker stereo configuration produces a spacious, immersive soundstage that enhances movies, games, and music playback. Connectivity options are equally comprehensive. The MatePad Edge features Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 with DP 1.2 video output for external monitors, OTG support, and dual-band Wi-Fi across. Huawei offers the MatePad Edge in Moonlight Silver and Deep Space Gray, both of which give the tablet a sleek, modern look. The optional accessories, including the magnetic keyboard and M Pencil Pro, transform the device into a full productivity suite or creative workstation. In its entirety, the Huawei MatePad Edge feels like a landmark release for the company's tablet lineup. It bridges the gap between tablet simplicity and desktop power, combining a studio-grade display, high-end processing performance, advanced cooling, and premium accessories. Whether used for design work, productivity, or immersive entertainment, the MatePad Edge positions itself as a top competitor in the premium 2-in-1 market, and perhaps Huawei's most complete tablet yet. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.